Alright, so I just opened up Damon again, and it's been a really frustrating time because every time I try to go out to the field, it's either something's wrong with Damon or the weather doesn't cooperate. It's summer, but every now and then it would just suddenly rain and I won't be able to fly. So the past couple of actually, it's been a past maybe 2 or 3 weeks since I've last flown Damon because I kept getting disconnected. The receiver kept getting disconnected from the ground pads for some reason, so I just reinforced it with some hot glue. Today a motor signal wire came loose, and then I thought that there was a problem with the VTX or the camera, and I just opened it up, and apparently I was just on the wrong channel. So it's been quite some time since I've actually flown Damon, so we're going to do that right now. We're going to the field. But just a few updates is I've been doing some 3D printing. So my 101 Hero, which is a really cheap, crappy printer, but right now I've gotten it to the level where it's really printing good quality prints, or at least acceptable quality prints that I can use for whatever project that I have, and that would include some drone stuff. So I might be putting some things like that out on my channel. But yeah, so right now I'm just gonna get prepped up and we are just going to go to the field. One last thing before we head out back out into the field is this. I wanted to show you this 3D printed mount for the Eachine TX526 VTX, and the problem I have had with this Martian 3 frame, and you can see it in the build video, was that it is quite tight inside the frame, and that meant that I had to stick with double-sided tape this VTX beside the XSR receiver. And now with this, it has a hole for the antenna plug, and I can screw it right on top of that frame, so it sits just nicely right behind that, right behind my Runcam 3. So that means that there's more space inside for the XSR. So it's now going to be sitting really nicely inside there, and I'll have my VTX up on top, where it's going to have hopefully better ventilation. I've never had any overheating problems with my VTX, but every ventilation is good. Right, so finally we're out here on the field, and I thought that my bad luck streak was still continuing because it did rain really heavily like an hour ago, but thankfully it stopped and now we're here. It's certainly a challenge. They closed up the road, so I had to park a little bit ways back, so it's about like maybe 5 or 10 minute walk, maybe another minute or two to get to the spot where I want to place my stuff. But yeah, at least it's great. Weather seems to be great, and it's just before sunset, so I'm hoping we're gonna get some really nice footage, and it's the golden hour as well. So yeah, let's fly. Yeah, I'm right beside a hospital, so that's why I can hear some sirens. Right, let's fly. Really getting bad signal here. Maybe it's a combination of my goggles, my antenna, maybe both. So, and I forgot to turn on my Runcam, so I think I will be coming in for a landing somewhere. Just need to look for where I am. Just sitting slowly. Alright, so bad luck almost got me today because my quantum goggles, seems that one of the wires came loose, so it's not powering up. Luckily I have my spectator goggles, this one from the Eachine VR006, and well, it's not great. The antenna performance isn't great. Everything about it isn't is top notch. Yeah, I'm just happy that I'm able to fly, so even if it's just the Eachine VR006, really bad reception, getting really bad reception with those goggles. But yeah, again, the important thing is I'm able to fly today. Okay, now we're recording. Just time to plug in. Power this up. Now the good thing about these VR006 is that you can power them off a USB cable or a power bank. It's a good and a bad thing because the battery is built in, but the good thing is you can power it off a power bank. It's like right, lost my battery. Gnarly, so I just crashed into a tree and just a broken prop and some dirt in that motor, but I'm hoping it didn't go into the stator and the rotor. a great day for flying. My phone ran out, so I'm left with my Runcam 3, and I'm recording this on my Runcam 3, and hopefully it'll turn out nice because the iPhone SE's camera and audio is pretty damn good. Yeah, so this is Runcam 3. I don't like the audio as much, but should do. It's better than nothing, right? So it was a great day for flying. It's been a while since I actually flown my quad, so the session today was pretty gnarly for me. Yeah, it was just fun, just cruising around, just doing some rolls and flips and power loops, and going through that tree corridor. So that was really fun, and especially that time when I hit the tree, that was actually really fun, even though I snagged the tree. So anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, click on the like button. Do remember to subscribe, just so that you can follow all of the videos that I post here on my channel. And as always, keep building and keep flying.